The nearest star to our solar system is 4.29 light years away. How much is this distant in terms of parsec? How much parallax would this star, which is named Alpha Centauri, show when viewed from two locations of Earth 6 months apart in its orbit around the Sun? Given that the distance of star from the solar system is 4.29 light years, 1 light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Therefore, 1 light year is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10 meter per second into 365 days into 24 hours, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. So we get the value of 1 light year as 94608 into 10 to the power 11 meters. Therefore, multiplying it by 4.29, we get that as 405868.32 into 10 to the power 11. As we know, 1 parsec is equal to 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meters. Dividing both of them, we get the value in parsec as 1.32 parsec. Our second question is, what is the angle? Theta is equal to small d by d. Here d is equals to 3 into 10 to the power 11 meters, that is the diameter of Earth, and capital D is equals to 405868.32 into 10 to the power 11 meters. Therefore, the parallax would be the division of both small d by capital D, that will be 7.39 into 10 to the power minus 6 rad. As we know, 1 second is equals to 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6 rad. Therefore, 7.39 into 10 to the power minus 6 rad will be equal to 1.58 second of arc.